evaluate this double integral where r is the portion of the annular region. Here seems like it's given in terms of polar form, to fit in polar form. That's the case. As we know, this is same as x squared plus y squared is r squared, 25. And in the first quadrant means the angle goes from 0 to pi over 2. Okay, and everything positive, r is always positive. We can take a square root both sides in all three sides, so 2 r 5. Okay, we don't have to even draw the region. This is now same as this dA is r dr d theta, and theta is always outside. That's 0 to pi over 2. Okay, and inside is r is 2 to 5. Now 2 times x times y, 2 is 2, x times y. X is r cosine theta and y is r sine theta. So r cosine theta times r sine theta, we can write r square cosine theta sine theta. Okay, next let's integrate inside. So that's theta equals 0 through pi over 2. This is antiderivative with respect to r, so 2 cosine theta sine theta can be pulled outside of this. So 2 cosine theta sine theta, then that leaves r squared times r cubed, and we know that r cubed dr, that's just r fourth over 4, and r is going from 2 to 5 d theta. Okay, and this is same as theta equals 0 to pi over 2. In fact, 2 sine theta cosine theta, that's double angle, you can go for sine 2 theta. You don't have to, but this makes simpler. Now upper limit minus lower limit, let's do that on side. So 5 raised to 4, 5 25, 625 over 4 minus lower limit 2 to the 4th, 16 fourth. If we subtract, how many fourths now? 609 fourths. So the 609 fourths, it's the number we can pull all the way outside, d theta. Okay, now let's evaluate this. 609 over 4 we can pull all the way outside. Now antiderivative of sine 2 theta, that is negative cosine 2 theta divided by 2, and we need to go from theta equals 0 through pi over 2. Okay, we could have left 2 cosine theta sine theta, okay, 2 cosine theta sine theta, and to integrate this we can make u substitution. Okay, like cosine sine theta is u, its derivative cosine theta with respect to theta is du. Okay, and this would have been 2u du, and antiderivative is u squared, which is sine square theta, which will be equivalent to this, and we could have done that. But here now upper limit lower limit, so 609 over 4, this negative 2 we can pull outside, negative 2 times 4, 8, just cosine 2 theta. So on the top, cosine 2 times pi over 2, cosine 2 times pi over 2. Cosine pi, which is -1, minus lower limit, plug in 0, cosine 0 is 1. So this is -1 minus 1, -2. Okay, -2. So that's negative, and negative will be positive. 609 over, this is 2. 2 divides 8 4 times. Final